Alright, we're busy with a Twyford old school basil installation. So what we got over here is the L bracket for this guy over here, Twyford Beatrice China. Super hard and comes with that great wall feeling. Added some straw into my cement mix, give it some unnecessary rigidity, but yeah, give it a good finish. And that's the finished product. I'm looking at the trap now and thinking I should have used one of those rubber traps. It would have been better. Yeah, I couldn't drill higher with the waste pipe over there. So yeah.